If you're looking for a CRM that is simple, modern, and built around managing relationships instead of just tracking sales, Folk CRM might be exactly what you need. But is it the best relationship CRM in 2026? Let's find out. Overview. Folk CRM is designed for freelancers, startups, recruiters, agencies, investors, and anyone who manages a large network of contacts. And instead of focusing on complicated sales pipeline, Folk helps you organize, enrich, and stay connected with people who matter most. Features. One of Folk's biggest strengths is its contact management. You can import contacts from Gmail, LinkedIn, spreadsheets, and other sources, then automatically enrich profiles with additional information. This gives you a complete view of every relationship without spending hours entering data manually. Another standout feature is its collaboration tools. Teams can share contact lists, leave notes, assign tasks, and track conversations in one place. This makes it easy to manage client relationships or recruiters' pipelines together. Folk also includes customizable pipelines and smart filters, allowing you to organize contacts for hiring, partnerships, fundraising, sales, and customer success. Unlike traditional CRMs, it's flexible enough to adapt to different workflows. Pros. AI is another major highlight. Folk uses AI to help generate personalized emails, summarize contact information, and automate repetitive tasks, helping you save time while maintaining stronger relationships. The platform integrates with popular tools like Gmail, Outlook, Slack, Notion, Zapier, and Google Workspace, making it easy to fit in your existing workflow. Cons. Of course, Folk isn't perfect. If you are running a large enterprise sales team that needs advanced forecasting, complex reporting, or deep sales automation, platforms like Salesforce or HubSpot may be a better choice. Folk focuses more on relationship management than enterprise level sales operations. Pricing. Pricing is subscription based with multiple plans, including options for individuals and growing teams. The higher tier plans unlock more automation, AI features, and collaboration capabilities. Final verdict. So, is Folk CRM worth it in 2026? If your priority is building and maintaining strong relationships with clients, candidates, partners, or investors, Folk is one of the easiest and most intuitive CRMs available today. Its clean interface, AI powered features, and flexible organization make it an excellent choice for professionals who value simplicity over complexity. Thanks for watching, and if you found this review helpful, do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know down below in the comments which CRM you would like to see in the next review. Goodbye.